talked about some of the Magic School features and tools that are amazing for teachers to use. Today I want to walk through MagicStudent to take a look at how our students can utilize this AI tool in a safe and scaffolded way. So first I'm going to go over on the left-hand side and go into MagicStudent, and these are some of my past courses from the school year, and the school year is already over. But I want to jump in and take a look at first what the teacher sees to create the Magic School AI room. So here I created a classroom for my first period junior English. As a teacher, I can monitor the activity. I can see what tools they've used. I can even click into their sessions. So here I can look at what my student pasted in. And it's so neat because then I can have a conversation with my students about the ethical use here. And so I asked my students to get writing feedback. So they were writing an essay, they pasted in that essay. And unlike other AI tools, Magic School doesn't naturally just generate new text for them. Instead, it gives very specific and very clear feedback. Now, this feedback is, again, very specific, referencing different quotes and things that the student had included. Now my student can use that information to go back and edit and revise her paper. And this is so great if students are newer to using AI, or you have concerns about unethical or overuse of AI. This tool really does a great job of supporting students, giving them resources, and you can see what they're creating and they can see that as well. So that facilitates really strong conversations. So if I wanted to edit the room, I can go over here and I can view the tools that I'm currently using. And again, there's dozens of tools that Magic School has, but you can select the things that are most appropriate for you. So if I was doing some sort of creative project, I could have the song generator and I could have different creative things here. For me, my students were writing an essay, so I have writing feedback, I have chat with docs so that they can have a chat conversation about their writing. I have a text proofreader, and then I've built a custom chatbot that is specific towards the assignment itself, so it knows what the overarching American Dream iSearch paper that we are currently working on in this particular class, it knows what questions to ask. I can also edit those tools because I can add even more, I can take things away. So this is really, really great because this is what my students will see. They'll see the tools that I have already added. Now going back here, let's take a look at this from the student perspective. Now, to get your students into your room, you can go up here and you can share. I can make co-teachers and I can share this with teachers, but I can also give this joint information to my students. So if you're using Google Classroom, you can just push it out that way. In our district, we're using Canvas, so I would just post this link directly on my Canvas homepage. And so I'm going to copy this link, and I'm going to paste it in so that we can take a look from the student perspective. When students sign in, they're going to use their name. I'm just going to put test here. If I already had an account or if a student's already signed in, they can sign in with Google. And here you can see I only have access to the tools that the teacher, had inserted and supported for my students. So I'm going to go to writing feedback here, and you can see that I can describe the assignment, so I could paste in the assignment, I could paste in the rubric, I can be specific as a student to know what to ask for. If I know I'm weak with commas and grammar, I can ask them to focus on that, and then I can paste in my writing. So what's so nice about this is not only is it a scaffolded AI experience overall, but it's asking very clear questions to students. So it's teaching them how to write prompts, how to engage with AI so that they get the results and the information that they're looking for. So definitely play around with this feature. My students really loved it and appreciated it, and I know that you will too.